Forever Nature Min Mineral Food Supplement. Forever Nature Min provides you with essential and true minerals. Minerals came from the bottom of the seabeds and marine plants. A supplement that helps and promotes proper muscles function, hydration, etc. Multivitamins keep your body fueled with essential nutrients and multi-minerals are important in our human body. And brain function. Human body does not replace its own lost minerals. Deficiencies need to be addressed with food or food supplement. Forever Nature Min with the advanced supplement formula. To help your body maintain its ultimate mineral levels. With optimal levels of 10 essential and trace minerals. Easily digestible supplement. Ideal blend of both macro and trace minerals. Macro minerals your body needs higher amounts. Like magnesium for proper muscle function. And electrolytes that can help fluid balance and hydration. Trace minerals are needed in smaller amounts. Zinc is known to act as a catalyst for nearly 100 enzymes. And assist in many crucial biological functions. Including DNA and protein synthesis. Forever Nature Min helps your thyroid glands and functions. Vegetarian friendly. And gluten free. Take Forever Nature Min daily. To ensure you are getting perfect balance. Vitamins and minerals. Please like, subscribe, click bell and comment below. Thank you for watching.